Boom. Hey, 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 hey. What's happening, guys? Yeah, our times are all goofed up this week because I know Marty, Red did his live at noon because the time change thing. Marty's going to go on at 2 o'clock because he was up to stupid o'clock again this morning and he had injured his vocal cords. But he'll be going live at 2 o'clock. I know Julie and Sherry are going to be doing a live, I think, at California 12 o'clock time. If Julie pops on here, I'm sure she'll put it on here. Still very excited. You guys understand why I got sunglasses on. Because in the Onpassive world, it's always sunny. It's always sunny. Plus, my eyes are shot, so I look much better. I kind of look like Dale Earnhardt, don't I? I'm just kidding. Guys, I'm so fired up and excited. Let me tell you what's going on first with today. I know we have Lynn Ron at 8 o'clock tonight. That'll be posted in the back office. And I know Saturday, and Mafoush has been texting the heck out of me, is Independence Day in Bangladesh. I think that starts at 10 a.m. Eastern tomorrow on Saturday. So I told him that I would try to make it on there. We'll see. I could pop on. Hopefully we got some leaders going there to celebrate Independence Day in Bangladesh. So I'm excited to hear about that. Many, many things going on, guys. You heard Marty talk about and Red talk about the domain name for everyone's YouTube channels. We're working on that to get this all over the place. Still don't have a clue what Ash is doing on Wednesday. You could stop texting me because I don't know. And even if I did know, which I don't, I wouldn't tell you because I want you to be, Christmas for you. I want you to have that present under the tree. But very, very excited to what's happening. I'm literally trying to keep my mind on other things because sometimes excitement takes over and you can't think. And I like to think sometimes. I'm doing a lot of work on this house with electricity. I got zapped a few times. It woke me up. I'm one of those guys that just doesn't turn the breaker off. I do it all like a man should, but it hurts. Stupid men. Let me say hi to some people here. Rupa Paul, how you doing, my beautiful sister? John White, what's happening? Herberto Riviera, what's happening? He's one of my Spanish connections. Linda Chapetta, how you doing? Manjob Jacob Thomas, how you doing? There's Julie Wynn. Julie Wynn, put your time when you're going to go live today, please. Because I can't remember. I think it's 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock. I'm not sure. Julie's California time. Gemma, how you doing? Sujit, how you doing? Randy T. Harris, what's happening? Steve Noel, Lister T. Lister Twalk. I think I got it. I'm not sure. Okay. What does she say? The California's doing a live at 3 p.m. Eastern. Okay. Thank you, Julie, for that. Anyway, guys, I'm sure that you're all going nuts like myself. I don't really it's hard for me to talk about this right now because I know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen, but I know something's going to happen on Wednesday where you're going to look up and you're going to see Onpassive. What did Ash say? Onpassive. You're going to see Onpassive from the sky. He said he's bringing us all to the top. He's bringing us all to the top, and I think that's what a lot of us have been waiting for a while, patiently, and you guys all been doing a great job, so give yourself a big clap, a hand, a shake there, because what you did just by sharing grew this company. Marty said something to me that was key the other day about you understand the people are the fuel of Onpassive, and I couldn't, that was one of the things that really caught my attention, what Marty said, so believe that because it's true. Yeah, Onpassive Ash Mafar designed it. He put it together. He was looking for people who were visionaries and believers, and boy, did he find them. 1,200,000 plus. I don't know what it's at now. I haven't checked. He had said for himself that we've got enough founders. We know the founder's position is coming to an end. And someone did ask him, I think Charles asked him a question the other day, and he said, Charles asked him, is that when we're going to end the founder's position on Wednesday? Ash said, not just yet. Let's get the spark going. And then he did say we got enough founders. He did say that. So I will tell you, if anyone sees this video or shares it out, You know, I don't put links on here. Let's try to get as many people. Get your family members in. Get your friends in. Get the people that need this the most. And there's a lot of people. That's the amazing thing. Pay attention out there, folks, too. We had some people asking for money. Someone was sick, needed surgery, and it turned out that it wasn't even true. Okay? Don't just throw money at somebody. I love that you want to help everybody. Don't get me wrong. That's a blessing in itself. But don't just throw money at somebody unless you know absolute sure that it's going to something legit that someone needs help. So watch out for stuff like that. You know, as we are so huge as a family, as a company, as a business, people like to take advantage. They love to take advantage of everyone. Oh, I'll get this guy. They see me talking about, oh, bless. Oh, this guy will fall right into my pocket. It doesn't work that way. It really doesn't work that way, and we ask that you don't do that. If you're going to collect money from someone using another platform, that's great. You see what you guys did for David Bacow. He's very, very thankful for that. That's a great thing. But know before you give. There's a lot of people out there who just are not nice, and they're trying to build up their bank account through suckers like us and you sometimes, because we fall for it. Don't fall for everything, guys. There's plenty of things that we're going to fix once we launch. Always, I say, help out along the way, but know what you're helping out. Don't just believe a story. Get a fact check. There's a lot of things like that. So my phone's being text. But Marty will be coming on it live at 2 o'clock EDT time, excuse me. I know his throat's probably like mine. We do a lot. After we get off all these lives and all these webinars, guys, we do late night calls. Sometimes to 4 in the morning. We've actually cut back. We're trying to go to bed at like 12:30, 1 o'clock. Just because, just to get a couple more hours of sleep. We have many things that are going on right now, but there's not a lot to talk about. The only thing that you should be talking about right now is getting people to Wednesday. Absolutely getting them there Wednesday. Now, someone put out a poster yesterday stating what time it was. When Ash was talking about it, his exact words that we're trying to shoot for 11 o'clock. He has not confirmed that. I asked him yesterday. He has not confirmed the time, and as soon as that time is set in stone, myself, Red, Marty, Julie, Pete, everyone will put it out everywhere so you know exactly what time it is. But right now, yeah, Wednesday's almost, I believe it's completely set in stone, but the time isn't. That's because Ash wants the staff to be there, and of course at 11 o'clock in the morning for me is like 10 o'clock at night or 11 o'clock at night for them. So that's why he's doing it. But don't believe anything you see until you see me, Red, Peter, Julie, Robin, some of the other, Charles, the leaders out there, Mike Ellis. They'll let you know exactly what time it is. We could find out today. We could not find out tomorrow, but we got time. But please don't post things out there that you don't know for sure. What happens is when you do that, I get 1,000 texts. So what time is it? What time is it? Listen, when you see me get on here and tell you the time, that will be the time. But you guys stay excited. Keep focused. Remember what, hey, Bill Mustis is on here. Hey, Bill, I thought you were out with your family. All right, MD, what's happening? Fahir, how you doing? Pat Parent, my beautiful Pat Parent, how you doing? SM Sager. Oh, I'm losing all the names again. That one I cannot read. It's in a different language, but you said hello. Hello. There's Mafus. Bangladesh in the house. Independence Day for my brother Mafus and all my brothers and sisters of Bangladesh. Like I said, Mafus, I'm going to try to get on your Independence Day webinar, but I said I can't promise you, but I will try. Ahmed, how you doing? The clock's ticking, brother. Tina Holly, how you doing? In my prayers, Tina. Angie Steger, how you doing? If I'm missing anybody, there's Hap. What's happened? Yvonne, how you doing? Ooh, hey, listen, auto workers, by the way, all my auto worker buddies that didn't believe me, now's the time. Now's the time to get in this, guys. You're going to witness next Wednesday no matter what. But how excited will you be to find out that, my God, Chris Johnston was telling us the truth for the last year and a half. I got quite a few auto workers. I'm not going to lie. I wanted to get a lot more. All right, but after we launch, You could still be a reseller. I want you to be a customer, but text me or message me that you're interested. I'll send you an invite link. If anyone shares this and you know auto workers or anybody, text them and ask them for an invite link. Listen, the auto business is a roller coaster ride, baby. I did it for many years. I know they're still dealing with those chips. I know people are getting laid off. I know plants are being closed here and there. Plan B, baby, just to let you know. Plan B, frappers. I'm still signing you people up, but we want more. All right, you got people in Frap. Ask them all about it. Ask around. They'll tell you they're a founder. They'll sign you up. It's not about me. I want them to talk to you about it. That's that simple. All right, I got to get going. If you got a birthday today, happy birthday to you. If you are sick, we're praying for you. Still praying for Russia and Ukraine. It's a horrible, horrible thing. And just ask God to help put something in Putin's mind to stop doing what he's doing. Never a good thing, war. But keep going. I love every one of you. Like I said, Marty will be coming on it live at 2 o'clock EDT, which is in, I don't know what time it is. It's an hour, less than an hour. Check out Reds. I posted that on my Facebook also. He did a really good live today like he always does. And just keep doing. We came together as one. We're going to stay as one. And I'm going to see every one of you at the top. I love every one of you. Bill Must, when you get home, get that YouTube rolling. All right, guys. Share away, guys. Let me help build your teams. I asked you could share this. I don't care what Bill Must makes on YouTube. Support Bill Must and all he's done and share that out also. All right. I'll see y'all later. It's always sunny in my world. And if you're a founder, you should have glasses on. My dog's excited. You hear him saying, he's saying, what? What, Billy? Onpassive next Wednesday? Is that what my dog's saying? Oh my God, my dog is so smart. She's even excited. I look at her, I say, you want a treat? She looks at me funny. I say, you want to be a founder? Her tail starts waggling and waggling. Funny stuff there. All right. I got to go. Stay plugged in, guys. If you're plugged in, you'll know why we're so excited. I'll see y'all later. Bye.